So students, now in this session I will explain sum number 4 and 5 of exercise 6.2 chapter integers. Now sum number A of question number 4 we have, what we have to do in question number 4 is find the sum. Fine, so what is the sum? After adding, the result that we get is called a sum. So to get a sum we have to add, isn't it? Now sum number A, we have two numbers plus 137 and the second number is carrying a minus sign, that is minus 354. So as because we have to find the sum, so what we have to do, 137 in place of and we have to put plus sign, isn't it? And as because this second number is carrying a minus sign, so we'll put this number inside the bracket. Okay, now since here in the middle you can see that two signs are facing each other, isn't it? So we just have to multiply this two sign to make it a singular one. Okay, now 137 plus minus is what? Minus 354. Okay, now plus minus is what? Minus, so we have to do minus. So 354 minus 137. So what will be the answer? 712. So 217. Now we have to see that which number is greater, 137 or 354. 354 is greater and it is carrying what sign? Negative sign. So we have to put negative sign here also. So your required answer is minus 217. Okay, now let's move on to sum number B of question number 4. So sum number B, we have minus 52 and 52. Okay, so in place of and we'll put sign, plus sign. Fine. So what will be the answer? Minus plus is minus. 52 minus 52 is 0. So when you see the answer is 0, no need of saying that which sign is greater. Okay, so because with 0 we do not give any minus sign or plus sign, so your answer is 0. Okay, now let's move on to sum number C. Now sum number C, we have three numbers, minus 312, 39 and 192. So how to write it? So first of all we'll write minus 312. Now in place of comma we'll put plus sign. 39. Now in place of and we'll put plus sign. 192. Now what is the next thing we'll do, students? Okay, now here we have to observe that which are the numbers are carrying the positive sign. Now these are the numbers which are carrying the positive sign, that is 39 is carrying plus sign, 192 is also carrying a plus sign. Fine, so what we'll do, we'll add these two numbers. Okay, instead of going for the solution of minus 32 and plus 39, we'll solve this two number first. Okay, it will be much quicker. Now what is the next, in the next step what we will write, we'll write this number minus 312 and the sum of 39 and 192. So we'll do the addition here at the rough side. So 9 plus 2 is 11, 1, 3, 2. So 231. And what sign we'll put here? Plus sign, obviously, plus sign, because 192 is greater. 192 is greater and it's carrying which sign? Plus. So we'll put plus sign. Now, what is the final thing we have to do? Minus plus minus. So we have to do minus. So 312 minus 231. So answer will be 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It will be 81, students. 81. So we'll write 81. Now we have to check which sign we have to put here. For that we have to see that which number is greater, 312 or 231. 312, and it is carrying which sign? Minus sign. So we'll put minus here. Fine, as easy as this. Now let's move on to sum number D. Sum number D. Now sum number D, we have again three numbers. So how to write it? Minus 50, in place of comma we'll put plus sign. As this 200 is carrying a negative sign, so we'll put this number inside the bracket. Now in place of and we'll put plus sign, then we'll write 300. Okay, now what is the first thing that we have to do? We have to open the bracket first, students. Okay, so minus 50 plus minus is what? Minus. So we'll write minus 200 plus 300. Now what we have to do? We have to solve these two numbers first. Solve these two numbers first. Okay. So minus minus is plus. 200 plus 50 is what? 250. Now we'll see which sign we have to put. And for that we have to see which number is greater among these two. 200. This carrying which sign? Minus. So we'll put minus sign here. Very easy. Plus 300. Now again we have to multiply these two signs, that is minus plus minus. So we have to do minus. 300 minus 250. That is 50 is the answer. Now which sign we have to put? Which number is greater? 300 is greater. Which, and 300 is carrying which sign? Positive. So if anyone wants to put positive sign, no problem. And if you are not giving positive sign, then also no problem. Okay, so now let's move on to sum number 5. Yes, now this is question number 5. In question number 5 also we have to find the sum. So these are all the numbers given. So the first thing that we'll do, we'll open the bracket first. That is minus 7 plus minus is minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. So as I said in the previous question, if you see that any numbers are carrying the positive sign with them, so what you have to do? What you have to do? You have to solve these numbers first. Okay, and so what will be the number? Minus 7 minus 9 plus is what? Plus 16 plus 4 is 20. With this 20 we have to put a plus sign. Okay, and similarly students, and similarly I want to say that the numbers which are carrying the negative sign, I repeat, the numbers which are carrying the negative sign, for that case also you have to add all the numbers, but with the answer you have to put a minus sign. So what is the difference between this and this? So when you are adding all the numbers which are carrying the plus sign, with the result you are putting a plus sign, but when you are adding the numbers which are carrying the negative sign, in that case also you have to add, but along with the answer you have to put a negative sign. This is the only difference. So minus is what? Plus. 9 plus 17 is 16. Which number is greater? I said what? The numbers which are carrying the minus sign you have to add. These two numbers are carrying negative sign. So what I am doing? I am doing addition, isn't it? So after addition, what is the answer I am getting? 16. And now which sign I have to put? Minus. So minus 16 plus 20. Now finally what we have to do? We have to subtract this. Why? As because minus plus is minus. So 20 minus 16 is 4. Now which sign I have to put here? For that I have to see which sign is greater. So which number is greater? 20. 20 is carrying plus sign. So answer would be positive 4. Okay. So now let's move on to sum number B. Now this is sum number B and the last sum of today's session. Now you see the first number and all the numbers are inside the bracket. So what is the first thing that we'll do? We'll open the bracket. So the first number we'll write as 37 only, because plus is plus. Plus minus is minus 2. Plus minus is minus 65. Plus minus is minus 8. Okay. Now students, now see this, all three numbers are carrying the negative sign. So what did I say? In the previous sum? The numbers, if you see the numbers are carrying the negative sign, in that case also you have to add all those numbers. See, 2 is carrying minus sign, 65 is carrying minus sign, 8 is also carrying minus sign. So if you see this type of arrangement, so you have to come to a conclusion that you have to add all those numbers. No matter that how many numbers are there, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If all the numbers are carrying negative sign, you just have to add all those numbers. Fine. So the result of the addition, the sum of these three numbers will be what? The first thing that we have to write is 37, and now the sum of all these three numbers will be 75. Fine. And what sign we have to put? Minus. Okay, remember this, the numbers which are carrying the negative signs, in this case also you have to add, but with the answer you have to put a minus sign. Fine. Now plus minus, 75 minus 37, tell me the answer. That is 8 and 3, that is 38. So 38 is the answer. Now we have to put a sign. For that, we have to see which number is greater. 75. It is carrying minus sign, so we'll put minus sign. Okay, students, I hope you have enjoyed the session. At the same time, you have learned also question number 4 and 5. So thank you so much. God bless you all and stay blessed.